Today we've been fortunate enough to receive a grant from the Petco Foundation, and the grant was for insulation for the dog kennels. When the dog kennel was built about 17 years ago, it didn't have any insulation in the ceiling, so all that noise from the dogs goes up in the ceiling, which is about a 4-foot area, and bounces throughout the building and kind of disrupts the other animals, the cats and some of our puppies. So the insulation will cut down on that noise and hopefully create a better environment for our animals here at the shelter.
Petco believes very heavily in supporting the lives of pets. Healthier and happier pets make happier and healthier pet owners. So anytime we can help out with our local shelters and community, they really like to reach out and help our communities in any way we can, and especially our local shelters. So a $10,000 grant for soundproofing over here in the shelter to really reduce the noise and quality of the pets' lives on a daily basis. Separating our dogs and cats and just cutting down the noise.
So anytime a pet comes in, it's a strange environment. They're away from their family possible, and they hear the noise, and that causes stress, which once the dog or the animal is in stress, then you start dealing with a lot of medical concerns. And so we're hoping that will take care of some of our medical bills too, as we keep the dog calm until the pet owner arrives here to pick it up, or until we can able to find it a new home. And we're using the inmate work program that I established here about 8 months ago to do the labor, which is able to keep me within budget and allow me some extra funds to buy a little bit more insulation for the building.
It provides the RCACP salary savings to their budget, and then it also provides our inmates that are on these work crews an opportunity to develop and hone job skills, people skills. It provides them an opportunity to give back to the community, and it provides them good time in some cases that they can be released from jail earlier than their sentence.
We are very active in helping out our shelters, so they go through each grant and see where we make the biggest impact for whatever money we can. And our local stores do raise money on a daily basis to help out our local shelters.